Thank you for joining us today for a joint Microsoft Edgewater Technology presentation about Microsoft PerformancePoint Server, a comprehensive alternative to spreadsheet planning. Today's business users and knowledge workers are using Microsoft Excel more than ever before. They're using it as their primary environment for conducting routine business analysis, as a platform of choice for conducting multi-data source comparisons. They're using it to collaborate on structured information, and as a tool to consolidate information and comments provided by other business users. In the financial planning and analysis space, the over-reliance on disconnected spreadsheets can lead to the following problems: long planning cycles, inflexible planning templates, limited security and audit capability. Microsoft PerformancePoint Server overcomes these problems by providing an integrated planning and reporting platform, multi-dimensional server-based business rules, and enterprise architecture and role-based security. Today's presentation will focus on how PerformancePoint Server overcomes the problems of disconnected planning templates and long planning cycles with an integrated planning and reporting platform. On this first screen, we see a dashboard displaying key metrics for our sample business. Number of full-time employees are shown on the left, and average billing rate is shown on the right. The second visualization shows a simple scorecard where we can compare our planned gross profit by service line compared against company guidance. If we go back to our initial scorecard, we can see an example of Microsoft's type product integration by exporting our dashboard charts to Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Excel as native charts. Our data grids can also be exported to Microsoft Excel for additional analysis. Now we'll explore a PerformancePoint Server report authored in Microsoft Excel. You'll notice when connecting to PerformancePoint Server, the server will recognize your credentials from when you first logged onto your PC. There's no need to log on again. Users who love Excel will love PerformancePoint Server for analyzing data and participating in the company planning process. PerformancePoint Server's Excel interface uses 100% native Excel formulas and native Excel formatting. The example you see on the screen was authored in Excel but is stored and distributed using PerformancePoint Server, so that only users with appropriate rights can access your sensitive company information. Next, I will show you the process for inputting data into a PerformancePoint Server template. First, I select the cell where I want to make a change. I input my data and press Enter. If the option for automatic calculation is checked, my form is automatically updated. If I am doing large amounts of data entry, I have the option to turn off automatic calculations. If I do this, my form is recalculated when my changes are submitted to the server. When inputting data, it is often helpful to provide comments as to the reasons for my changes. PerformancePoint Server stores annotations and notes within your data or with your data so that it can be referenced at any time that data intersection is viewed. We will now submit or commit our changes to our analytic database. One of the real strengths of Microsoft's PerformancePoint Server technology is its use of Microsoft Analysis Services analytical database engine. This technology allows for slicing and dicing of information as well as rapid aggregation of information to create summary views. We can see an example of how PerformancePoint Server leverages this technology to allow business users to create a single template that can be used for many different slices of information. Back to the dashboards that we started with, we can experience the strength of Microsoft's product integration again, as we see the results of our changes flow directly into the scorecard we've been using to monitor our planning process. We hope that you found this video useful. For more information about how Edgewater technology can help you get the most from your performance management initiative, please contact us at makewaves@edgewater.com.